Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Come Shop With Me video. So today I am going to be going to CVS and Walgreens. I know I'm late. A lot of you guys know, if you watched the breakdown video or if you watch the weekly vlogs, I went out of town this weekend. I'm back now. I feel so refreshed and I had such a good time. But definitely check out this week's vlog so you guys can see how my trip went and all that kind of stuff, because I did vlog it. But yeah, now I'm back on my grind, so I'm gonna go do my couponing, and then of course I have more videos planned for you guys this weekend. But I'm gonna do my Come Shop With Me because I haven't went couponing at all yet. So I'm gonna go to CVS and I'm gonna go to Walgreens today, and pick up some deals. Let me know if you guys want to see Target Come Shop With Me videos. If you do, I can make those in separate videos, and as well as Dollar General, because I've been getting a lot of questions about laundry and paper products. If you guys would like to see like me couponing at Dollar General and like Target and other stores like that, let me know and I'll make those in separate videos on how I do all of that. So going to first CVS, going to Walgreens, and then the second CVS. So let's go. This is never seen this before. Have to get that next time. Okay, hey guys, so I am home now. I'm gonna run down everything and tell you guys how everything went, just because I didn't really want to do it in the car. I wanted to come home and do it. So I'm gonna show you guys everything really quick. Okay, so this is everything that I got. I hope you guys can see it. I know I got a lot of stuff. All right, so this is my first transaction. Here, these are the two Physician Formula Glide On eyeliners, and I ended up having to pay $2 out of pocket, actually $3.22 out of pocket, because my card is like messed up. Like if I type my phone number in at the red box, CITs that print off at the red box does not match my card, which is so weird. But it all has the same information on it, so I'm guessing that they just created two accounts. I don't know what the deal is, but I ended up having paid $3.22 out of pocket because it would not take my other extra bucks. So I ended up paying $3.22 out of pocket, and I did get $10 back in ECBs that I did use on another transaction. On the second transaction, I did these two Almay eyeshadows, and that one went okay, but I still had to pay $2.14 out of pocket because, again, it didn't take all of my extra bucks for some reason. Like, I just don't know what the deal is with it. Like, I just don't. But it took the two manufacturing coupons, and it took the $4 off mystery coupon that printed, and then it took the $2 off of 10 cosmetics off, and it wouldn't take my extra bucks, so I just paid $2.14 out of pocket. So I didn't mind, but I just need to get that figured out. Like, I just do, you know. So that is that. And then on my third transaction was the Listerines here. I got 3 of those, and that was a really good deal. They were $6.29. I used 3 of the $1 off coupons, and I used the $10 and the $4 extra bucks that I got back from the 2 previous transactions because I just knew they were gonna work. And I paid $2.02 out of pocket, so that ended up working out great because $2.02 for all of that. And then I did get back $8 in extra bucks that I did use on my next transaction, so I did get $8 back for getting all 3 of those. This is just the Rimmel lipstick and an eyeliner. I'm making like Mother's Day baskets, so that's why I got mainly like all of this makeup. It's not for me, like the nail polishes and stuff. I'm making Mother's Day baskets for my aunts and my grandma and my mom, so that's why I got all this this stuff. I know y'all probably like, Keevie, you don't need all them, but that's why. Okay, so let's see, what is this? Oh, this is the Rimmel eyeliner and the lipstick. I used 2 of those Rimmel $3 coupons, 1 for the lip and 1 for the eye. And then I had a $4 ECB, and I only paid 51 cents out of pocket for that. So that ended up being a really good deal. And then I did get back $4 in ECBs for that I haven't used yet. Okay, and then the next one is these 3 nail polishes here. I got 2 of these Hard as Nails and the Revlon nail polish. That ended up being let's see. I used 1 of the Revlon coupons and 2 of the Stella Hansen coupons. And then I gave her $8 in ECBs, but it only took out $7.97 because it ended up being completely free. So didn't have to pay anything out of pocket for that. But it did give me back $5 in ECB, or $8 in ECBs for that, because I got 5 back for the Stella Hansen and 3 back for the Revlon. So $8 back for the nail polishes, making this completely free plus $8 money maker. So that was a really good deal. And then the last transaction that I did was the Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner. These were on sale for 2 for $7, so I got 4 because I had a 4 off of 10 CRT. So I did use that. And I used 2 of the $4 off of 2 coupons that are coming in this Sunday's paper for the Whole Blends, and it came up to be $2. I paid $2.14 out of pocket because I didn't have a $2 extra buck, so I just went ahead and paid $2 out of pocket, and I got back $2, so that was completely free as well. So yeah, that is everything that I got from CVS. Now I'll show you guys what I got from Walgreens really quick. Little red nose campaign that they do every year, I got one of those, so that's what that is. And then I got 10 toothbrushes. So I went to 3 different Walgreens. At the first Walgreens, I got these 4 here, and I broke them all up into transaction of 2 because I did use points. And so I went to 3 different Walgreens for this. So at the first transaction, these ended up only being a couple of cents out of pocket, and I got back 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2, right? So I took those 2,000 points and added $1 because it came up to be like $1.90 something. So you only can use 1,000 points with that. So I used that $1 and then paid 90-some cents, got $2 back for this one. Took that one. Now at the second Walgreens I went to, these came up to be $1.29, so they were $2.08. So I was able to use 2,000 points this time and only pay 8 cents out of pocket and get back 2,000 points. So still ended up being completely free. But just wanted to let you guys know that some places they are ringing up $1.29 instead of $1.19. And then the rest of the other 2 were $1.19. So I did $1.19, paid 90-some cents out of pocket, got 2,000, and then $1.19, paid 90-some cents, got 2,000. So I got a total of 10,000 points, and I spent 6,000 points and ended up with 5,000 points after this trip, which is equivalent to $5. So all of these were completely free. Definitely run out to your store and get you some toothbrushes if they still have them, because I stocked up. I grabbed what was left in my store. Like some stores I went in, they only had 4 left, so I grabbed those 4. Some stores I went in, they only had 2, so I grabbed 2. Like, just grab them if you have 2, because they are buy one get one 50% off. So that's why I bought them in 2s. So yeah, And that is it, guys. That is everything from my shopping trip today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know some deals that you guys picked up on your shopping trip. I know this video is late, but you can still share with me some of the deals that you picked up, because I might still run out and do some more if they're good enough, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.